Hi guys, couple of days ago I installed Valorant onto my PC and I was trying to play the game but it shows me this error on my PC. So it's WAN 9001 and it's coming from Vanguard which is an anti-cheat application in Valorant. So it shows me TPM version 2 and secure boot should be enabled. In this video, I'm going to show you what I have found, what I have done to make this error fix. Okay, so if you look at the error message, it says me TPM version 2.0 and secure boot should be enabled on your PC in order to work this Vanguard application. So first things first, we'll go to the first one, which is TPM version 2.0. Let's see how we can enable from your BIOS setup. Okay, let's get it. Okay, before I show you how to enable TPM on your motherboard, let me tell you this because all the motherboards different, there are different type of manufacturers for motherboards, and also there are two type of processors. So one is Intel, one is AMD Ryzen processors. So if you're using Intel, you will be able to find trusted platform which is TPM as PTT. Most of the motherboards showing like PTT, and if you're using AMD Ryzen processor, you will be able to find one called FTPM. Okay, so just find for those two. If you're using AMD, it will be FTPM. If you're using Intel processors, it will be PTT. Just find for those settings because I can show you my motherboard setting, but it will not be in your category. Like in my motherboard, it will be not in advanced settings. It will be in preferable. So I'll show you in my settings, but it will differ for your motherboard. So just find for PTT or FTPM settings. Okay. In order to enable TPM and also secure boot, you need to go into BIOS on your motherboard. So let me show you how to do this. Okay. So first of all, go to your start button, right click on the start button, then go to settings and go to system tab and scroll down a bit until you find a recovery section. In here, you can see one called advanced setup, advanced startup. And if you click on restart now, it will restart your machine and get into your BIOS setup. So this is the easiest way to get into your BIOS setup. Okay, that's a alternatively you can press the hotkey of your motherboard BIOS setup when you restarting your machine. I'll show you how how you can do that as well. But remember this, every motherboard manufacturer has different type of hotkey to enter into your BIOS, but most likely it will be delete or F2 or F11 or F10. Those are the most common keys. You can press all of them so you can get into BIOS. So I'll show you how to do this. When you're restarting your machine, press the hotkey of your BIOS setup. So mine is delete, so I'm gonna press delete here. Okay. Now I will be able to see the BIOS setup. In here, go to BIOS and go to secure boot. And inside secure boot, make sure that secure boot enable should be enabled. Okay. Now the second thing is TPM. Let's go to preferables. And you can see one called PTT, Intel Platform Trusted Technology. Just make sure this enable, and you need to save this. Go to save and exit and click yes. Let's find out whether the issue is fixed or not. Let's open Valorant again. Okay, let's give it a few seconds to load it up. Okay, as you can see, now the Valorant game has been started correctly without any issues. So Vanguard is working fine. Now that's how you remove and fix that issue of TPM and secure port. So that's it for today's video. I hope this video helpful for you to find out how to play Valorant and how to fix Vanguard issues. So if that's the case, like this video, subscribe this channel, and comment on this video if you have any questions. And see you next time with another video like this. Bye bye.